Good afternoon, Grand Forks. Thank you for tuning into this afternoon edition weather update. My name is Justin Storm. I'll be your host. Taking a look at our sky cam now, right, you see a little bit of hazy and misty conditions over the Grand Forks area, sitting right around 22 degrees right now with a southwest wind about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Why don't we take a look at our headlines? So it's going to be warmer today, expecting a high about 27 degrees. A major snowstorm coming in tomorrow that will affect spring break traveling. So if you have somewhere to go, get it done tonight. Don't leave tomorrow because it will impact driving conditions. And then we have another possibility of a snowstorm coming through on Wednesday that'll start off as rain and then turn into snow. But for this average, right now we're sitting around average for today for our, the Grand Forks area. Average is being around 29 and 12 degrees. So we're above our average for our low, slightly below for our high. Records being set back in 2000, 2008. And our sunset tonight at 6:24, but that will be changing into the weekend with daylight savings. Here are national temperatures in the United States. 21 in Grand Forks, most United States being dominated by blue color, extending all the way from the east to the west. About 40 degrees for most of that central United States. Down here in Dallas being 79 degrees, and they're actually expecting a little bit of severe weather today and into tomorrow. Right now, the SPC has announced a slight risk for severe weather through Texas into Oklahoma and part of Arkansas. And this is going to push off a little bit over to the northeast, affecting mostly Arkansas and Mississippi. So hopefully everyone down there can stay safe tomorrow with this severe weather outbreak. But here's our satellite and radar right now. Not a whole lot going on. A few showers on the east part of the United States pushing off in the Atlantic. But this is our system over here towards Denver that's going to move its way through, affecting all of the northern Great Plains and down to the south, bringing them some severe weather. You'll see here in our futurecast. But for our satellite and radar, not a whole lot going on for the Grand Forks area. Again, that overcast conditions for all of North Dakota and a few flurries out here in Minot and Bismarck. But as we go into our futurecast, you're going to see these. Oh, it's not a futurecast. The National Weather Service has issued some warnings for most of the area now. Winter storm warning in northern South Dakota, northeastern North Dakota, and almost all of Minnesota. And up here in this purple color, we have a winter storm watch in case this system decides to push a little bit further north like it has been in recent model runs. But here's our futurecast now. You're going to see that this system is going to move out of the Colorado area into the northern Great Plains and through the central part of the United States, affecting all of the central United States from north to south. And this will be going to move out through Saturday afternoon into Sunday morning. And by Monday, we should be expecting some clear conditions for the Grand Forks and North Dakota area. However, coming into Wednesday, we do have another system moving through that's going to start off as rain and then turn into snow throughout the morning and the afternoon hours into Thursday. Now, this could be significant. However, right now it's a little early to give out accurate predictions on it, but it does look like it's going to bring a decent amount of snow for most of the northern parts of the United States. So here's the snowstorm that's going to be moving through Saturday afternoon. Right now, Grand Forks looking almost at 7 inches of snow. Heaviest banding being from Fargo through Aberdeen, through Brainerd, even up towards Duluth and Bemidji, expecting almost 9 to 12 inches of snow through the central Minnesota area. But for our regional temperatures now, 19 degrees in Grand Forks by 9 o'clock tonight. Most of Minnesota sitting in those low to mid 20 digits. And as we go through the night and tomorrow morning, you're going to see these temperatures actually begin to rise with a south wind, bringing a little bit of warmer air to our area. So we'll be sitting right around 27 degrees tomorrow, about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is going to bring us into our forecast tonight, a low temperature of 20 degrees with that southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles, or 5 to 10 miles per hour. Snow beginning at 3 a.m. tomorrow morning, most of the heaviest snow starting again at 9 tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, expecting about 5 to 9 inches of snow for the Grand Forks area with that east-southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 20, and down towards the Fargo area, expecting gusts possibly up to 30, even 35 miles per hour. So again, with that traveling out there, visibility could be reduced down to almost zero. High of 29 degrees. And for our 7-day forecast, you see we begin to cool down as we move into Sunday and Monday, but back into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're sitting in the mid 30 degrees with that snowstorm that could be affecting our area coming in through Tuesday night, Wednesday, and pushing out Thursday afternoon.